Hello, welcome back first graders. So last lesson we talked about was the frog cycle. The video that you all watched explained the 5 different stages and what goes on during each stage. The stages include spawn, tadpole, tadpole with legs, froglet, and the adult frog. During this video, we're going to go over some of your guys' answers and I'll give feedback, concerns, or just questions I have of your guys' answers. So let's get started. The first question is, what is the second stage of the frog life cycle? And draw it. Here we have Lauren's, and Lauren, I love how detailed your drawing is. I like how you know that a tadpole has a head and a tail, so therefore I gave you full credit. And here we have Maya's, and Maya, I do like how you know that a tadpole has a head and a tail, but just a reminder, tadpoles don't have fins nor have tails on their sides. So, because you did give me a head and a tail, I am going to give you half credit, but just know that the tail is not on the sides like that. So, questions 2 to 6 are over this worksheet. So the second question is, what is this stage called? And Alan was correct. It was spawn. And I commented, good job on knowing what the first stage is called. And Seth responded with a tadpole. Seth, just a reminder that this stage is called a spawn and that the spawn grows into a tadpole. So my third question is also again, what is this stage called? And Bree responded with tadpole. And good job, Bree, on knowing what the second stage of the frog cycle is. Then Seth responded with frog. Just a reminder, Seth, that the second stage is a tadpole. The frog is a grown tadpole, which the tadpole will become a frog but later on. And then my fourth question is, what is this stage called? Just a reminder, Maya, to fill out all the questions. This stage is called the tadpole with legs, the stage that comes right after the tadpole stage. Then Seth responded with a frog. Just a reminder, Seth, that the stage is called the tadpole with legs stage. Reminder, the frog stage doesn't have a tail, which this stage does have one. And then my fifth question was again also, what is this stage called? And just a reminder again, Maya, to fill out all the questions, and this stage is called the froglet stage. And then Seth responded with frog, which this stage is called the froglet stage, which is the awkward stage between the tadpole with legs and being a frog. And then my sixth question is, what is the stage called? And it was adult frog, which I like these 100%. And my seventh question again, I like these 100%. And eight, another 100%. I hope to see these continuing. And then my ninth question is, what does the tadpole feed on? Just a reminder, Maya, that frogs don't actually eat shrimp. They actually eat their own yolk of their egg. And then Seth also responded with bugs. Just a reminder that frogs do eat bugs, but the tadpoles eat their yolk of their own egg. And then question 10 is, the tail is used to allow the question was, the tail is used to allow the adult frogs to breathe outside the water. Seth responded with true. Just a reminder, Seth, that adult frogs don't actually have tails. Overall, good job, class. Continue the great work, and I'll see you guys next class.